Most women don't actually hate their wardrobes, they just don't recognize themselves anymore. If you've ever stood in front of your closet disappointed, frustrated, or disheartened, thinking, I have all of these clothes but nothing to actually wear, then this video is for you. I'm Jasmene Bowdry, a strategic wardrobe stylist, helping high-achieving women identify their style with who they're becoming. Today we're going to talk about what it really means to build a wardrobe that reflects who you are, and most importantly, who you're becoming. Because if your clothes don't match your self-concept, then everything will always feel off, no matter how beautiful they are. Okay, so let's go deeper into this nothing to wear combo, because I've worked with so many clients and that is the first thing they say. I have nothing to wear. You get dressed every day. You have something to wear. You're not struggling because you have too few clothes. You're struggling because what you have is out of alignment with who you actually are. And here are some reasons that might be happening. You're still dressing for an older version of yourself, maybe the version that hadn't yet got promoted, the version that hadn't yet started in entrepreneurship, the version that hadn't yet stepped on the stage, or the version that was pre-baby. You've been buying out of urgency and not strategy. You scroll, oh, this is cute, add to cart, we'll see if it works, and it never does. You're letting trends or even influencers direct your style decisions versus your own energy. Or maybe you've never taken the time to define what your style is and what style success looks like for you. And this is what I call wardrobe misalignment, because it's not a shopping issue, it's a self-concept issue. So let me walk you through what I call the identity shift style framework. And this is the same process that I walk clients through to reconnect with their style, their purpose, their goals, and personal evolution. So step one, and you may have heard me say this in other videos and you're gonna hear it again, is to define your style anchors. This is the foundation. You are going to choose 3 words that represent how you want to feel when you're getting dressed, whether that's powerful, elevated, or magnetic. These become your filters. If it doesn't fit that vibe, then it's not for you. Step 2 is audit your wardrobe energetically. Pull out those pieces and ask, 1, when was the last time you actually wore it? You guys know my rule, and if you're new here, maybe you don't. If you have not worn it in 12 months, it has to go. Does this feel like the woman I'm becoming? Does this match the energy that I'm anchoring into? Let anything go that has outgrown past seasons. Step 3 is to curate a few power outfit formulas. Every woman needs that go-to outfit that never misses. Is it a sharp blazer or a structured blazer with a wide leg trouser? Is it a monochromatic look with some statement jewelry? Or is it that midi dress that just hugs you in all of the right places? Find it, name it, replicate it in multiple ways. Step 4 is to let your values lead your visuals. And what I mean by that is if your style doesn't match your message, then there's going to be friction. If you're a leader but your outfit screams invisible, there's friction. If you're a creative but you dress like you're hiding, there's friction. There's a misalignment that can block opportunities and lower your confidence. Thinking about your values, what you stand for, how you move, how you want to be known, how you show up, the rooms that you enter, should all be reflected in what you wear. And you might be thinking, Jasmine, this is all great, but how do I actually start to do this without having to throw away everything in my closet? You're gonna start with one outfit. That's right, just one outfit. Choose one outfit this week that feels intentional, that matches your style anchors, and feels like her, which is that next level version of you. Wear that and let it calibrate your confidence. And then after that, build another. And this is how transformation begins to happen, not with another style haul, but with alignment. You don't need more stuff. Girl, you got all the stuff in your closet already. You just need more connection to yourself. If this resonated with you, go ahead and hit subscribe, because every week I'm sharing content that helps high achieving women step into their style. Remember, style is communication, and when it reflects your identity, it can become your most powerful brand asset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.